There were a lot of untapped gifts that I never really pursued. This atmosphere gave me an opportunity to see those untapped things.
I know reading and math, those are vital when it comes to careers as well, but in me, I'm a person I'm more hands-on.
So I really needed to improve my skills. So I said, let me check out Lively, and sure enough, they had a digital design program.
With our programs, the students jump right into their career path.
You go by your own pace, so it's not a pressure as a college setting would be.
We pride ourselves on the atmosphere that we're able to create in our programs. They all know each other. It's very much a family.
It does feel like a family.
We're a close-knit group, and they feel like a family.
I love Miss Lake. She's a wonderful teacher. She really is.
Original. She's different.
And she always have that same nurturing spirit.
2 days ago, just left class, I received an email from Mrs. Lake. She's like, hey, they contacted me. They're looking for a graphic design student. And she's like, hey, are you interested in the job? And so when I went, I gave them more than just a job application. I was able to give them a resume.
By showing some of the samples that he had completed, the employer was impressed and hired him yesterday, in fact.
Then when I got the job, I was just like amazed.
But he had the biggest smile today that I've seen since I've been here. That's the biggest.
It's a camaraderie. I mean, once we see our brother or our sister get that certification or get that job, it's like, all right.
And that just goes to show me that she's doing her job as a teacher.
And our instructors really pride themselves on having 100% placement when they finish their program. Because not only are they getting their training here, they're getting them a job.
It's like the confirmation of that I'm not going to take another job. That is not what I love to do.
This is pretty much the pot of gold that's in the rainbow. The gold is knowledge. The gold is having an opportunity to know that there are other ways of pursuing careers rather than a traditional college setting.
With our programs, the students jump right into their career path.
You're not going to come here and have to take more science or foreign language or math or English. You're going to come here, and in 1 year, that career in a year, you're going to be able to get in and get out. You can earn a really good living with a trade skill, with an industry certification.
If they're not sure about going to college, I think this is a great place for them to start.